is to how to make paputok na papel. Step 2 times. We do 2 times. And then you do gigitna mo habang hindi pantay, papapantay nyo. Ako, gusto ko kahit anong pantay ang gusto ko. Kaya ganun ako, guys. Masyado maano kasi ako, guys. Okay, that's good. You do this now. Do this now. 2 times of